In this video, we're going to show you to install the sway bar end link on your Jeep Patriot located behind your front wheels. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove our lug nuts. Now if yours have the chrome cap, that'll be a 19 millimeter. If your lug nuts are missing the chrome cap, it'll be an 18 millimeter. Let's go ahead and remove our center cap and set that aside. Let's go ahead and grab our wheel, pull that off and set that aside. On our upper link here, we have a 15 millimeter nut. We're going to use our socket and impact to go ahead, loosen and remove that nut. We're going to try some locking pliers on the inside here. Use our 15 millimeter socket on the outside. At this point here, normally you can get this nut off using the locking pliers or using an Allen key on the center here, but everything that we are trying is failing, so we're gonna end up cutting this off using a cutting tool, and we'll probably cut the bottom as well. Take your end link. We're going to feed that through our sway bar. Get that nut started. It will line up the upper. Feed that in and get that nut started. Now we're using our 15 millimeter gear wrench on the nut and a number 5 Allen key on the center. Now we'll snug this down and then we're going to repeat this process for the bottom one. We're now going to torque down our nuts here to 43 foot-pounds. We're using our crow's foot here to go ahead and gain access to these. Now you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side, and at that point there, you're all set. Let's go ahead and install our wheel, and then we'll place our center cap on. And we'll start all of our lug nuts by hand, and then we'll snug them down. It's going to torque down our lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds, and we prefer to do this in a crisscross pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.